Sarve Jana Sukhna Bhavantu. Hi friends, this is our Dr. BP alias Bapuji Pullepu. You see, this problem, previous problem I had done one dimensional wave equation or vibrating string with zero velocity conditions. Now we have non-zero velocity. There we have the initially displacement, velocity is zero. Here is what initially displacement zero, velocity may be there. So conditions may be changes. For last two conditions will be changed. I will tell you. There also we have a lambda x into L minus x kx into lambda, that is we done kx into L minus x. Here is lambda we are using. Similarly sin cube pi x by L, 2bx by L and 2bx by L into L minus x we done. So similarly here what we will do, same story, one problem we are doing, remaining three can do. The boundary conditions only changes. From there we can write. Okay, we start the problem. Now we can read the problem. You see, a tightly stretched string with fixed end points x is equal to 0, x is equal to L initially at rest in its equilibrium position if it is set vibrating, giving each point a velocity lambda x. So this is very important. Previous problem they are telling displacement, he is telling each point a velocity lambda x into L minus x. This problem also done. The Fourier series is same thing only, but conditions after applying when you will go for Bn is what same story only. There is no change. Then show that y of x comma t is equal to 8 lambda L cube pi to the power of 4a n power 4 sin n pi x by L sin n pi a t by L. Here is see, already we got there actually 8 k L square into n square pi square answer, I think so Bn. Maybe some manipulations I will get, don't worry. Now we start the problem. It's very important. Only one problem I am doing. Remaining you can try. Here I am doing for lambda x into L minus x. Maybe the same story you can apply for the sin cube pi x by L. Sin cube pi x by L means what you will get only C1 C3. Then I done 2bx by L, then 2b by L into L minus x. Three problems only, repeatedly they will come. There is no extra sums. These three, if you become master miss enough, this unit guarantee will get full marks. Okay, we start to the problem. Now write the equation, then boundary conditions. Shall I rub off? Write equation. What you will write? Dou square y by dou t square is equal to a square into dou square y by dou x square. Conditions is what? Y of 0 comma t is equal to 0. Y of L comma t is equal to 0. Then is initially displacement 0. Y of x comma 0 0. This is previously you will get y of x comma 0 is equal to f of x. Then you will have dou y by dou x at t is equal to 0 is equal to what you will get? Lambda x into L minus x. See, previously this condition is here, this condition is here adding, but thing is what? Changing. Now we can write correct solution. What is the correct solution? Y of general x comma t is equal to c1 cos px. Some people they will use lambda, I am using p, don't worry. c2 sin px according to textbook. It's not a big issue. c3 cos pat, c4 sin pat. So this is equation 1. You are familiar, if you apply the first condition c1 is equal to 0, if you apply the second condition p is equal to n pi by L. You know or not? Just I am going very fast. These all are old story. So y of 0 comma t is equal to 0 implies means what? 0 is equal to if you apply means what will get here? c1, this is c2 cos pat, c3 sin pat. So this cannot be 0, only chances is c1 0. So c1 is equal to 0, substituting in 1. So what I will get if I substituting in 1? Y of x comma t become c2 sin px C3 cos PAT, C4 sin PAT. This is equation 2. Now second condition is what? Y of L comma T is equal to 0. Y of L comma T is equal to 0 if you put x is equal to L. C2 sin PL, then C3 cos PAT, C4 sin PAT. So in this again same story, this fellow cannot be 0, then C2 cannot be 0, C1 is equal to 0, C2 is equal to 0 means there is no string, there is no solution, no problem, no marks, no question mark and no question paper, no exam. So only chance is sin PL is equal to 0. So implies sin PL is equal to 0 means what? PL only chances are n pi. So P is equal to n pi by L. Go back and substitute in equation 2. Then equation 3 what I will get? P is equal to n pi by L substituting in 2. So implies y of x comma t is equal to C2 sin n pi x by L, C3 excuse me, cos n pi at by L, C4 sin n pi at by L. That is equation 3. Now third condition is what? Y of x comma 0 is equal to 0. If we substituted y of x comma 0, 0 in t place, if we put 0 means what will get? C2 sin n pi x by L, then C4 sin n pi at by L. Correct? No, plus, sorry, C3. So from this what is chance again? C3 is equal to 0. C3 is equal to 0 means what? There what you will get? C4 0 you will get actually. In vibrating string 0 velocity boundary conditions, first condition will go C1 is equal to 0, second condition will use P is equal to n pi by L, third condition will go C4 is equal to 0, balance term is Cn n pi x by L cos n pi at by L. Then I will go for the y of x comma 0 is equal to, if I substituted f of x, I will get half raised sine series, then I will get Bn, that is in the zero velocity conditions. Non-zero velocity conditions, what I am telling, same story, C1 is equal to 0, P is equal to 10 pi by L, but C3 is equal to 0. Like this you can revise actually problem. Okay, this is the equation, this is the condition, this is the condition, this is the condition. Final stage I will reach there. That is the way of doing. So then what I will get? Y of x comma t, C2 n pi x by L, then C4 n pi at by L, then C2 C4 n pi x by L sin n pi at by L, that is equal to y of x comma t. Now if I write superposition principle, C4 C2 C4 I will get Cn, because I will have infinite arbitrary constant, infinite values. Then writing superposition principle, then I will get y of x comma t is equal to sigma Cn sin n pi x by L sin n pi at by L. This is what? Equation 4. This is the actual solution as stands here. Now next condition is what? Dou y by dou t. Dou y by dou t, I want to do dou y by dou t is equal to 0, f of x, the fourth condition. Dou y by dou t is equal to 0 at t is equal to 0. Now we can find dou y by dou t. Dou y by dou t, if I do, what you will get actually? Sigma Cn sin n pi x by L. Because sigma notation you will get C1 sin 1 cos sin 1, then C2 sin 2 plus plus plus, same story you will get. So one stroke I can write cos n pi a t by L into n pi a by L. If I put t is equal to 0, dou y by dou at t is equal to 0 is equal to 0 is equal to what you will get? Cn sin n pi x by L into n pi a by L. Correct or not? Now I will write, no sorry, it's not is equal to 0. This is equal to f of x. Sorry. Then this is equal to, how can I write? Shall I rub off? Sorry, it's not is equal to 0, it's equal to f of x. That f of x is equal to what? Lambda x into L minus x sigma Cn n pi a by L sin n pi x by L. So this whole fellow I will take as a Bn. Cn n pi a by L is equal to Bn Cn. Correct or not? So previously I will have actually Cn is going to be in this extra term I will get. If I take that side I will get the Cn value Bn into L by n pi by. That's why I get power 4 something you are getting there. Reaching or not? So the way of doing. Now what I will do, Bn means what? This how can I write? Lambda x into L minus x Bn sin n pi x by L. So this is nothing but it appears any function f of x. If I write Bn into sin n pi x by L, it appears like a half range sine series. So who is my f of x? Lambda x into L minus x. So now if I able to substitute my Bn is my value is over. So I will find out Bn value. So what is the Bn value? 2 by L. Already I done. I want to skip and I want to write. Okay, I will do. Lambda x into L minus x sin n pi x by L dl. So if you take 2 lambda by L 0 to L Lx minus x square sin n pi x by L dx. So use Bernoulli's formula. One fellow you can keep as it is, one fellow you can integrate it. What you kept constant, that fellow you can differentiate. How you will take differential part? Which term after sometimes get vanished, that fellow you can take as a differential. So what I will write here, 2 by lambda, open the bracket, this fellow you can keep as it is, sin n pi x L is what? Minus cos integration n pi x by L divided by n pi by L minus what you integrated, again I will integrate it, minus sin n pi x by L by n pi by L whole square into this. If I differentiate, L minus 2x plus this sign I will get minus this minus, but these two you don't simplify, already I told you. Till last don't simplify, but inside you can simplify. Minus minus plus you will get cos n pi x by L by n pi by L whole cube, then into minus 2 I will get. This is 0 to L. Getting or not? Suppose if we see, if I substituted L means what? Upper limit L square minus L square waste. If I substituted lower limit means what? L in 0, if this term 0, 0 into anything is equal to 0, waste. This is waste fellow. If I write, if m is what? Sin n pi 0, if I apply limit, if I apply the upper limit, if I apply the lower limit sin 0, 0, this also waste fellow. So only balance is what? This fellow is there. So how I will do? 2 lambda by L into this, apply the limit, this minus 2 also I can take out. So minus 2 you can write, nothing will happen. L cube n cube pi cube cos n pi x by L 0 to L, then this square time. So minus 4 lambda L square n cube pi cube. If you apply means what? Cos n pi minus cos 0 is 1. So this implies minus 4 lambda square n cube pi cube cos n pi is what? minus 1 power n minus 1. That is equal to Bn. If n is even means what? Bn vanish. If n is odd means what? Bn is equal to minus 2. Because this Fourier series, I know I am going very fast, but this is everything old story, but apply the limits only what is getting, that is important. So what I will get here? Bn is equal to 0 if n is even. This is equal to, odd means what? Minus 2 will get 8 lambda L square by n cube pi cube if n is even. Now, but Bn is equal to what? Cn into n pi a by L, I think so. Bn is equal to Cn into n pi a by L. My solution is what? Y of x comma t is equal to Cn sin n pi x by L sin n pi a t by L. From this Cn is equal to what you will get? Bn L by n pi a. So if I apply this, you will get y of is equal to Cn. Y of x comma t is equal to Cn value is what? Bn into L by. So what is Bn? 8 lambda L square by n cube pi cube, then into L by n pi. L by n pi a. This is running from 1, 3, 5, only odd values, into sin n pi x by L sin n pi a t by L. Correct or not? Now write. Now if you do, what you will get? Y of x comma t is equal to, so I will take 8 lambda L cube pi to the power of 4 a, then this I will let 1 by n power 4 sin n pi x by L sin n pi a t by L. Proved, hence proved. So he is asking, this is answer. Thank you for watching our channel. Kindly share and subscribe. Be part of our service. Bye.